Visual impairment is a public health problem of global proportions. More than 285 million people worldwide have some form of visual impairment. 39 million of them are blind. 90% of those affected by blindness and severe visual impairment live in the poorest countries in the world. 14 million live in India alone. Yet a good proportion of worldwide blindness, including 75% of corneal disease, is curable. The Tej Kohli Cornea Institute is one of the world's preeminent institutions for cornea health and expertise. Supported by global philanthropist Tej Kohli as part of his mission to eradicate avoidable blindness worldwide by 2030. The Tej Kohli Cornea Institute is a global leader in research and development, preventative medicine and cornea transplants. Access to affordable treatment can only be achieved through systemic long-term efforts to create widespread availability of high-quality eye care facilities that are delivered by people who have the resources, technical skills, and compassion to handle diverse population segments. Patients of Tej Kohli Cornea Institute receive completely free treatment. In the last 2 years, the Tej Kohli Cornea Institute has hosted more than 167,000 outpatient visits, collected 26,000 donor cornea, and utilized nearly 16,000 corneas for transplants. The Institute undertook more than 31,000 surgical procedures, delivered over 700 presentations, published 148 publications, and trained more than 120 clinicians. Blindness is heavily impacted by poverty. Between 6 and 7 million of the 12 million people worldwide who are currently waiting for cornea transplants live in India. Whilst the average age of a patient needing a corneal transplant in Canada is 75, in India the average age is just 16 years old, which severely impacts life prospects and outcomes. By also taking education, treatment, and preventative medicine directly to the poorer rural areas where 66% of Indians live, the Tej Kohli Cornea Institute is able to additionally target those high-impact populations that are living with curable corneal blindness. At just one rural village location that is not reached by any charities or NGOs, the Tej Kohli Cornea Institute recently completed more than 2,000 cornea transplants during a single year. Preventing and controlling and eliminating corneal blindness is also a global objective. Achieving this mission will require a scalable and affordable solution for the masses, and through the acquisition of proprietary new biotechnologies, philanthropist Tej Kohli is dedicated to making this a reality. Through international collaboration between leading clinicians, technology pioneers, and global hubs of excellence, such as the Tej Kohli Cornea Institute, it is now a visible reality that by 2030, avoidable corneal blindness could be controlled, reduced, and then eradicated worldwide.